when you're working with weights, work smart, not heavy, okay? You can do these exercises without any weights at all and still get the same benefit for your muscles. And I'm talking about specifically bicep and tricep curls. So first of all, your bicep curl, the biggest mistake that people make is that they're like, throwing them up. We're not those guys that have got muscles like this. We want to be focused on what we're doing, specifically this muscle here. You also want to make sure that your wrists are not doing this, because then you're not strengthening your wrists either. You want to keep your hands straight up and then curl them towards the shoulder. So with a bicep curl, first of all, tucking those elbows in, deep breath in, engaging the core, exhale. Feel the bicep muscle, inhale, releasing it down, and focus on holding the leg down as well. Exhale, inhale, taking it down. I usually do about 20 of these, or get the people I'm teaching to do 20, and it depends on using 3K weights because I like that particular weight, but you can go obviously a lot lighter. Then if you're doing your tricep pushbacks, one of the things you'll see people doing all too often is going, ha, and swinging the arms. This is doing nothing. Trust me, I could do this all day. It does nothing for my triceps. You want to focus on keeping your ribs and hips pulled together, slight bend forward, okay? Keep your elbows up, and from here, press the arms straight back, feel it in your triceps. That's this muscle here, in case you don't know. Pressing it back, keep the elbows up as you bring it back in. Exhale, press it back. Inhale, bring it back in, and keep going. Weights, you're not going to go wrong if you have a pair of these. I'll tell you that. Give me a minute, I'll show you some more.